This is the Gamtoos River, Umlambo, if we talk about the Cape Wars of Resistance of 222 years, this river is part of that history. You may recall that the wars occurred in three phases. The first phase was characterized by the wars between the Khoisan and the Dutch settlers from 1659 until 1774. The second phase, which I wrote about, occurred between 1779 until 1879. The first contact between Amaxhosa and the Europeans occurred here in 1779. It was followed by 4 wars which were fought from 1779 until 1812 in an attempt to take the land between this river and the Fish River, Umlambo Inqubo. So Amaxhosa defended this land from here until the Fish River from 1779 until 1812, which then culminated into the establishment of the town of Grahamstown in 1819. So whenever one crosses this river, thinks about the importance of the wars of resistance, where our forebears defended this beautiful exotic land. You can see how big this river is, how interesting it is. So we decided to stop here with this Kalimazem, Ujojo, Solobentonga, just to reflect on the significance of the wars of resistance during this important month of Silimela, Inyanga yeSilimela. Enkosi Sikhanda.